The Man in the Cedar Tree. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful daughter. When my daughter was old enough, one night, a young man came to ask. He was a beautiful young man, and his daughter fell in love with him at first sight, and then the young man started to ask me every night, "And I'm going home near dawn. Oh, if the night is longer." My daughter couldn't help but think so. Well, one day my daughter thought, "Who on earth is that person from? He doesn't seem to be from the village. Besides, why do you only come at night?" Once I was worried, I became restless, and one night, my daughter prepared a needle with a long thread and gently stabbed it in the young man's kimono who was going home. At dawn, my daughter immediately went through the thread, and the thread continued in the precincts of the shrine. And at one large cedar, all the threads are wound, and the needle is stuck in the bark of the tree. Oh, that person was the spirit of this tree. From that day on, young people stopped coming. Well, then time passed, and one night, that young man appeared in my daughter's dream. I think you already know, but I'm the spirit of Asuji at the shrine. Nearby, I will be cut down to build a bridge that was washed away by the heavy rain. It's useful for many people, so it doesn't matter if it's cut down. But in the end, I really want you to see me off." Then, as the dream said, the cedar of the shrine was to be cut. The woodcutters cut down the tree safely, put a rope on it, and pulled it to carry it, but the tree doesn't move at all. I hired a lot of people and pulled them to cows and horses, but they don't move at all, as if they had grown roots on the ground. Then, my daughter came and gently stroked the tree. Then, the tree that had not moved at all until now began to move lightly as if it had no weight. Using this cedar, the bridge was built safely, and this bridge was never washed away no matter what flood came. The end.